I've always had really great hair. It was one of the things that God did give me, was good hair. And then as I got a little bit older, I noticed there was like less hair on my head and like more hair on my chin. And I was like, really, what's going on? And I really never put it together with going through the aging process and going through menopause and that sort of thing until I was talking to Dr. Basson about it. And he said, well, male pattern baldness is actually something that happens with women. Women don't want to talk about male pattern baldness, but you know, a lot of my friends are having a problem with that. In fact, some of my friends are wearing wigs. Then I did a little bit of research and I found out it's not really just me and my friends, but it's millions of women, and where we are very open about talking about menopause, and you don't see too many women joking about losing their hair. And so I went and saw Dr. Basson and I said, well, I trust you with everything else you've ever done to me, so why not trust you with my hair? I knew that he was gonna take that whole concept, and just like everything else, because you see him on the doctors, you see him on Dr. Oz, he wrote the book on hair loss, he always takes that one idea and he takes it one step further. That's what he did with Progrowth PRP. He took the idea and he made it even better by having a treatment that you only have to do once a year. It's not something you're putting on your hair. You're actually putting it into your system, which then produces the hair that you really want, which is the neat thing. It's not a product you're putting on your hair. It was something that I wasn't expecting to see anything really as far as change for 6 to 12 months. And I thought within the first few weeks, my hair started to really take on a different texture. When it comes to really wanting the best, Dr. Basson is the best. And he's on the leading edge. He's not doing something that people have been doing for years. Dr. Basson's usually the guy who's doing it first and best. My advice to ladies in looking into PRP is don't just call any doctor who is doing PRP. You want Dr. Basson's formula, the Progrowth PRP. That's Dr. Basson's formula. That's the formula that worked for me, and that's what I think that really is kind of on the cutting edge. I love the way my hair looks. I think my hair looks great. I think it's youthful, and it's given me confidence. You only have one you. So you don't really want to take a chance. I always say there's two things you really don't want to look for at a bargain basement sale price, and that's your children's education and your beauty. I'm very excited. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled because a good head of hair goes a long way.